Buying an SUV in 2026? Then you need to be careful because some SUVs don't just cost you money up front. They keep taking money from you every single year. We're talking about SUVs that break down more than expected, have insanely expensive maintenance, lose value faster than you think, and the worst part? You won't notice it right away. Everything feels fine in the first few months, but over time, the costs start stacking up. So today, we're looking at 10 SUVs that can quietly drain your wallet in 2026. And this list is completely different from what you've seen before. Let's jump in. Number 10, Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas is big, practical, and family-friendly, but long-term ownership, not always smooth. Owners often report electrical system glitches, transmission hesitation, build quality concerns. And here's the issue. Volkswagen parts and repairs aren't cheap. Even minor issues can cost more than expected. It's spacious and comfortable, but not the most budget-friendly long-term. Number 9, GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia looks premium and drives well, but under the surface, reliability concerns. Common complaints include transmission problems, engine performance issues, electronic malfunctions. And once those problems start, repairs can pile up quickly. It's a nice SUV up front, but ownership costs can sneak up on you. Number 8, Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio is stylish and fun to drive. It stands out from the crowd. But here's the problem: reliability and maintenance. Owners report frequent warning lights, electrical issues, expensive repairs, and since it's an Italian luxury SUV, parts and servicing are costly. It's exciting, but risky for long-term ownership. Number 7, Infiniti QX60. The Infiniti QX60 offers comfort and space, but older concerns still matter, especially transmission-related issues, historically. Even though improvements were made, some owners still worry about long-term durability maintenance costs, and when something goes wrong, it's not cheap to fix. Number 6, Hyundai Palisade. Now this one might surprise you. The Hyundai Palisade is praised for value and features, but there are hidden costs, expensive parts in some markets, electronics complexity, high demand leading to pricey repairs. Plus, depreciation can hit harder than expected. It's not unreliable, but long-term costs can still add up. Number 5, Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento looks like a great deal, but certain versions have had engine issues, transmission concerns, reliability, inconsistencies, and while warranty helps early on, after that, you're on your own. It's affordable up front, but risky long-term in some cases. Number 4, Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 is new, premium, and impressive. But being new comes with risks. First-generation issues. Possible concerns include new engine technology, hybrid system complexity, unknown long-term reliability. And if something major fails, early repairs can be expensive. It's promising, but still unproven. Number 3, Subaru Ascent. Subaru is known for reliability, but the Subaru Ascent has had mixed feedback. Issues include transmission problems, fuel economy concerns, electrical glitches and repairs. Not always cheap. It's practical, but not as bulletproof as people expect. Number 2, Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is futuristic and fast, but ownership costs can surprise you. We're talking about expensive repairs outside warranty, complex electronics, high insurance costs, and those Falcon Wing doors? Cool, but costly if they fail. Repairs can be very expensive. Number 1, Jaguar F-Pace. At number 1 with the Jaguar F-Pace. It's beautiful, it's luxurious, it's fun to drive, but reliability is a major concern. Common issues include electrical failures, engine-related problems, high maintenance costs, and like most luxury British SUVs, repairs are expensive and frequent. It's one of the easiest ways to drain your wallet fast. So those were 10 different SUVs that can drain your wallet in 2026. Now remember, this doesn't mean every unit is bad, but it does mean these SUVs carry higher financial risk. You need to plan for long-term costs and never ignore maintenance history, because the real cost of a car isn't what you pay at the dealership. It's what you keep paying after. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment your opinion, subscribe for more car content, and next up, we'll show you SUVs that are actually worth every dollar. See you in the next one.